honeywell thermostat broken off from the wall, just need to replace. So here you can see the screw. Let's take this thing out first. So let's undo this one. Once this one is finished, what you do, put your screwdriver over here, or just press it over here, and it comes like this. Undo this screw, and this cable will be off, and you can change to the new thermostat. So this one, let's compare this diagram 1 and 3, and let's compare this one. So that one is, and this one is same. So I'll just going to do the wiring and 1 and 3 position.